Welcome to Alternative Thinking, the podcast that takes a deeper dive into the alternative marketplace and explores topical issues.
Really interesting to find out from both of you exactly how the not exchanges, I know the venues operate, who's using them in terms of the buyers, the sellers and the companies, which type of companies are using the two venues.
Companies come from three distinct camps, really. One are companies that have tried being public and for various reasons it sort of hasn't worked out.
So that's the sort of delisting.
The sort of delisters, yeah.
Yeah.
And then the third group is potentially family-owned businesses which have been going for hundreds of years. And the share register has grown through the generations. And they probably don't aspire to go public, but they need to have some ongoing liquidity.
And at the moment, we see quite a lot of flow from there because the public markets have been really challenging, and a lot of the smaller companies are really struggling with the liquidity. And we always try and put ourselves in their shoes as well and really have a look at how we can help them, how we can encourage them, and how do we revive that engagement and help them to tell the story.
There's interest in this space now. It's getting exciting. Who do you see coming in to be the natural buyers?
Well, I think to date, the vast majority of our buyers have been high net worth individuals.
There is a lot of ultra high net worths or high net worths that would interact in this space. But as I mentioned, especially with the companies that are transitioning and coming off the markets, you do have some significant shareholders that would act as that buy side.
Yeah.
In fact, we've got about 4 stocks where we're actively looking for sellers, which is quite an unusual situation.
Not expected.
Still a problem in a much bargain environment,
Yeah.
because there needs to be more communication out of the companies and a little bit of extra effort put in. But yes, we also see some engagement from family offices as well, which is quite exciting.
Yeah.
And it goes back
To hear more, please like and subscribe to Alternative Thinking from growthInvest on YouTube, Spotify, and wherever you get your podcasts.
This is a podcast produced for EIS Platforms Limited, trading as growthInvest. It is not intended to be a financial promotion of any sort and is intended for financial professionals only. Any comments made or opinions expressed in this podcast should not be construed as investment advice or a financial promotion. Startups and early stage businesses are high-risk investments, and you are unlikely to be protected if something goes wrong. Don't invest unless you're prepared to lose all your money.